Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to repair a flat tyre on the front wheel of a balance bike by replacing the tyre and the inner tube. You'll see, it's easy. First step, we're going to remove the front wheel using two 13mm wrenches. So we remove the nut, and we retrieve the washer. Next, we can push the wheel's axle outwards and set the balance bike wheel aside. Now, let's remove the small cap from the inner tube's valve. We unscrew the first nut on the valve. We remove the valve core and the last small nut. Now we can disassemble the first side of the tyre. For this, it's very simple. We push the bottom part of a tyre into the rim. We place a tyre lever next to the valve and push the first part of a tyre out of the wheel. We hold the part of the tyre outside of the rim with one hand, and we gently go around the tyre. Now that the first side is dislodged, we push the inner tube's valve into the rim. And we pull the inner tube out of the tyre. Next, we turn the wheel, and we can remove the second part of a tyre by gently pushing the tyre bead out of the rim by hand. This balance bicycle has 12-inch tyres, and you can see the marking 50-203 in parentheses 12 times 2.00 on the side of the tyre. And if you have the same one on your balance bike and you're looking for a replacement in a tube, we've left all the useful links in the description. So, for reassembly, we start by installing our new inner tube, slightly inflated into the tyre. Then we push the valve into its housing. To make the tyre slide more easily, I just apply a little soapy water around the wheel. I push the first side of the tyre into the rim by hand. I ensure that the inner tube is properly seated inside the wheel and not protruding. Then I install the bottom part of a tyre into the wheel and work my way up the valve by pushing the tyre sides into the rim with my thumbs. And I finish by pushing the last part in with my tyre lever. Now we can inflate the tyre to a pressure between 35 and 65 psi, which corresponds to a pressure between 2.5 and 4.5 bars. And we can reattach the repaired wheel to the fork of our balance bicycle. Pass the axle through the wheel, and tighten everything up.